Hi, you're welcome to Flookiesden. My name is Afolake. Thank you for joining me. It's Easter weekend. So excited. So I'm also taking time off work to relax, guys. It's not easy to work in Canada. It was a wonderful thing for me to extend my Easter break so I can catch up with other things that I have waiting. I also needed to rest. I've been so exhausted working. So it was just a good decision for me to do that. And this weekend, which is Easter Saturday, is a good opportunity for us girls to hang out again, especially us that are April born. And we thought it was good for us to come together and celebrate ourselves with a few other friends joining us. And we're heading to Bontemps Cafe in downtown Saskatoon. It's a good atmosphere, wonderful place to eat out. And I hope you'll enjoy it when you do visit or find time to go there as well. By the title of this video, you would have known I thought to myself, based on popular demand and people that have also mentioned why they move around doing their grocery shopping. And I thought it was nice for me to, kind of have a review of a few things, not everything actually, not a comprehensive store review, but a few things that you and I buy from the store, basic things. And I thought, is it really worth us moving from one store to the other to get what we actually desire for grocery? I will be reviewing the Real Canadian Superstore, the Independent Wholesale Club, and Costco. And for me, they all stand differently for different reasons as well. For the Independent Wholesale Club, you get things at wholesale as well, same as Costco. But, Costco still gives you more variety, larger things that you can get. For Costco, you pay an annual fee. For Real Canadian Store, you pay no annual fee. You get points points when you purchase things at Costco, and then you can redeem it. Same with Real Canadian Superstore. But for Real Canadian Superstore, I feel you get more in points, and then you can redeem and get more. Real Canadian Store is more retail, and for you that want to purchase things in bits and pieces, that's always the best option to go by. But if you want things in bulk, you can do the wholesale club or Costco. So the comparison are actually based on individualized items, or some items I will also show you in bulk. Look at it if it makes sense to you, if you really need to buy them in bulk, or it's better individual. Sometimes when you do things in bulk, you need to be able to take stock of what you purchase, because you might actually forget these items in your pantry and then go restock again without taking note of it. And that's the disservice or disadvantage of buying things in bulk. Sometimes you forget you have it in stock, and sometimes you might be giving it away because you just have in excess, and you are also watching closely at the expiry date. So, but some things don't expire, so you can stock up. The decision still boils down to you. The purpose of this is just to bring you away these stores and see what they all offer and help you make informed decisions based on your grocery shopping. At Costco, you need to sign up for a membership card. This is my membership card, and depending on the level of membership that you sign up for, you'll be paying a premium or an annual fee. This was about 130 something. I'm going to put the exact figure up on the screen when I check. So that's another cost. But for Real Canadian Store, you pay nothing. For Wholesale Club, you pay nothing as annual fees, and yet you get points. Finally, I'm going to be going as well to Pitchfork. I got this gift card from my boss for Christmas, and I actually have forgotten that I had it. So I said, okay, Pitchfork is close to Costco. Why not just take a peek, look into what they also have to offer? Is a market and a kitchen store, and they also do groceries, and we can always compare prices with that. So I'll be bringing your way 3+1 stores whereby you can shop and see how that saves some dollars in your pocket, or help you make that decision that you really need to save some more money. I do have a bias though for Real Canadian Superstore. One being that I have family working there, and for me it saves me a lot of money. For instance, if we do our regular grocery shopping, we get a 10% discount because I have family working there. And during this Easter break, they have is discounts of 20% going on as well. So I had to do my shopping earlier to be able to benefit from that 20%, and I saved a whooping $77 plus on that grocery shopping, which is a whole lot for me. I also had points that I accumulated whereby I can save for later when I have so much more. So it's always a good deal for me in Real Canadian Superstore. So that's the bias for me. That's why I go there. So there's really nothing I want to save going to Costco, or because I don't do so much of bulk shopping. There's really not so much of those that I do, apart from my rice, that I have to buy my bag of rice because we eat rice in my house a lot. So I do that. Maybe for the paper towel, yeah, those one comes in the packs that they do come in. And what other things I just pick in little quantity. I can do the pack of 3 loaves of bread in Costco if I'm on that axis, but if I'm not there, I can always pick my bread. I usually will buy quite a bit of wheat and white bread because my husband and I take wheat bread, the children take white bread. So we buy the combo and then we'll put in the freezer for as long as we would desire to have them. So that is my bias. So don't judge me based on this, but I'm going to be bringing you all the different prices without so I'm going to be bringing you all the different prices, looking at them for you to decide what you want to do, or where something is cheaper. If you decide to buy maybe one item and you feel, oh, I know it's cheaper in this space. And if you're watching out of Saskatoon, or you're looking forward to moving into Saskatoon, and this video will be helpful to you as well, and will help you as you move in, make a decision on where to do your grocery shopping, whether you're doing retail, whether you're doing wholesale. There's still a variety of more stores here in Saskatoon, but I just decided to do the 3+1. That's the Real Canadian Superstore, the Wholesale Club, Costco, and Pitchfork. And let's see how it goes, what we discover. We're going to go around together, guys. So let's go. So I'm back from Costco for the second time. Guys, it's not easy to vlog. When we are begging you guys to like and follow us, please don't hesitate. Oh my God. During my Easter break that I decided to do this video as part of the things that I wanted to do, I went to Costco to film, and then I ran out of memory card. And I felt that, okay, and I still have other places to go to actually. And I said, okay, let me go through my pictures and start deleting those that I don't need. You know, that I've used it already, and I felt, let me just create space because I know that I'll be doing a lot of filming. And I started going through and deleting and deleting. I don't know where I found how to delete a couple of pictures at once. And I just clicked delete, 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 you know, to make my work faster. I'm very busy now. And unfortunately, everything gone. When I got home, I decided to transfer my pictures. I found nothing. So effort in vain. And I still have to bring this video to you guys, right? So another trip was planned out. So I went to Costco 2 times. So please, you must like this video and follow me, double my subscribers. And please make me feel good about this video. It was a lot of work, but I think that it's been helpful to as many of you that have gone through it. I hope you found value in what you watch, and hopefully it will help you to make more decisive bargains, you know, when we are going shopping, know where to go for what, and maybe just stay in one store if it all works out that way for you. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following me. You must show me some love, and hope to see you in another vlog. Bye guys.